That's what I'm talking about.
Just really put the whole breath into it, okay?
This is so random. But I bought you some socks.
You bought me socks.
You know why, don't you?
No.
The white socks with your black boots.
Oh! I came in the wintertime and I had a real nice red shirt on. And I had my nice slacks on and my nice red shoes on one time. And then I had my tube socks on.
And I was like,
And Stephanie's like, what?
no. So I had it for like 2 months and I found them when I moved. I was like, oh!
She got their stuff.
Okay, so I'm looking at the Ring doorbell, and you can kind of see if I zoom in.
I'll be back in just about 20 minutes.
Okay, bye, Jen. So they're spraying in the concrete. So I don't know if you can kind of see that, but that's exciting.
That's awesome. And so this is your camera at home?
This is our Ring doorbell camera in the backyard, and so I can see if somebody's snooping around. But for this purpose, I can see them actually spraying the concrete, so that's great.
Polly's Island and show something out at Bays at Litchfield. And then I'm going to be heading out to, where's my other one? Lions Cove in Myrtle Beach. So when I'm preparing for my showings, I want to make sure that I've got a client handout for them that will show them all the information about the property, the square footage, when it was built. I also want to pull up the property disclosure if that's available. So that will show when the roof was replaced or if it has been, as well as the HVAC, if there's been any kind of issues on the property. A lot of people want to know about the HOAs, how much they are monthly, and what's going to be included in that. So those are the most hot questions that a lot of clients want to know, so I want to make sure that I have that information for them. I think it's easier for me to know where to find that information since I kind of worked as Greg's assistant for a while. You know, sometimes they want to know about rules and regs for specific HOA companies, and I can kind of navigate them through that and let them know that sometimes getting that information takes a little bit of time, so we can definitely get that, but it's gonna, you know, we might not always have that up front, so we have to be a little bit more patient with getting that kind of information.
Y'all are so funny. 1, 2, 3, 18, 25. I got it. All right, now what are we going to make them do funny?
I don't know.
All right,
Why don't we do a human pyramid?
No kidding. Oh my God.
We're going over to Plantation Point. We've got a great house listed for sale, and that we're going to do a little. This we can do a little home tour and go on Facebook Live and really expose it to some more people. Yeah, it's over on Lark Hill, right here in Plantation Point. So I don't have a ton of experience with Facebook Live, but I am looking forward to it. So.
How's the update?
I'm so excited. So everything's starting to square off. I can see it. Even though I'm at work, I'm still watching my pool little by little come together. So fun.
When do you think they're going to have it done?
I don't know. Maybe another 1 week?
Sweet.
Yeah, I don't know. It'll be very exciting. Oh,
Can you hear them working too?
no cussing. No, just kidding.
Does your love for ping pong is that what attracted you to getting this table?
That was Stephanie. Stephanie decided to get the table.
Oh, okay.
So is
You
our
can videotape it for Wednesday. Nice.
Okay, I'm ready. Come on, Joseph.
Quit running me ragged.
7:49. Look at the timing.
Well, you pulled in as soon as he did.
Yeah. So we're meeting. We're here to take a look at this house. It's vacant. See if there's anything we need to do to get it ready for sale. We're a few punch list items. So hopefully we can do a quick walkthrough, make some decisions, and have it done in be on the market the next couple weeks.
Good. Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Whew, you not see that on the air conditioning.
Sweet AC.
Look at all these keys. Let me see. I'm just gonna see if these work.
Yeah, you did tell me that.
Get rid of this. I'm gonna make some notes. Good. But let's try to find out any other little punch lists. Looks good. This looks fresh. I mean, this room looks pretty fresh. I mean, I know it's not a little bit. Paint looks fine. So I find myself often recommending that people remove the curtains or the draperies in a house. Now, mostly that's going to be on a vacant home. So there's no furniture in this house that we're in. But every bedroom has window treatments, not the blinds, but I'm talking on top of the blinds. And those need to be removed in a vacant home to enhance the showing experience. It's just lets more light in. You've got white blinds already there, so you've got privacy, and they just need to go away. Oftentimes they're matching the old furniture that's no longer here, and they're often could be bright colors and whatnot. So I think it's always wise, just a little tip, especially if you're selling a home that's empty of the contents, to remove the curtains. But I do recommend you leave the rods and the brackets so someone can use those for their own curtain taste later. So keep that in mind when you're selling an empty home.